Manual deadline tracking in SharePoint leads to missed tasks and last-minute surprises. In this video, you'll automate reminders in Power Automate that alert users 7 days before a deadline and again when it's overdue, including exactly how many days are left or late. Each email is automatically sent with full task context from SharePoint. Let's build it. Step 1. Create the flow. Go to Power Automate, click Create, then Scheduled Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name, set the frequency and starting time, in this example every day at 6 a.m. Click Create. Step 2. Get items from the SharePoint list. Add a Get Items action and connect it to your SharePoint site and the automation list. Open the settings for this action and turn on pagination with a threshold of 5,000. So the flow checks every item even if the list grows large to a max of 5,000 items. Step 3. Add a condition for upcoming deadlines. Add a condition with 2 rows to check if the deadline date of each item falls within the next 7 days, meaning the deadline has not passed yet but is coming up soon. The expressions used here are in the description. This automatically creates a for each loop around the condition. The deadline date will be the only variable, depending on the name of your SharePoint column, as shown on screen. Fill this expression on left side first row. Fill this expression on right side first row, which expresses today. Set the operator to is greater than or equals to. So the first row checks if the deadline date is greater than today. Fill in expression on left side second row. This is the same expression as left side first row. Fill this expression on right side second row, which expresses today plus 7 days. Set the operator to is less than or equals to. So the condition checks if row 1 checks if the deadline is today or in the future. Row 2 checks if the deadline is within the next 7 days. Step 4. Send a reminder email. In the true branch of the condition, add a send an email action. Use the dynamic content from the person column so the email goes straight to the person responsible for that task. I choose person email, which will be used the email address of the item in the SharePoint person column, and include the description, priority, department, and how many days are left until the deadline date in the subject and body. The expressions used here are in the description. Here you can see the expression to count the amount of days for due date or amount of overdue days. Deadline date is a variable which relates to your deadline date SharePoint column. Step 5. Add a condition for overdue items. Add a second condition to check if the deadline date is earlier than today. This identifies tasks that are late and still need attention, separate from the upcoming ones that have not passed yet. You can just copy the expressions of both sides of the first row from the first condition action. Set the operator to is less than. Step 6. Send an overdue alert email. In the true branch of this condition, add another send an email action. Again, use the dynamic content from the person column. Fill in subject and body. In this example, I copy the body from the previous email action. Step 7. Save and test the flow. Save the flow first, then run a manual test. In this example, today is July 2nd, so items with a deadline date before July 2nd, such as June 25th, June 28th, and June 30th, are already overdue and trigger the overdue alert. Items with a deadline date from July 2nd up to 7 days later, such as July 3rd, July 6th, and July 9th, have not passed yet and trigger the upcoming reminder instead. Check that both emails arrive correctly for the right person with the correct day count and task details. You now have a working SharePoint deadline reminder system that notifies the right person about upcoming deadlines within a 7-day window and automatically flags overdue tasks with full task details and the number of days late. If this helped you, give the video a like, drop a comment with your questions, and subscribe for more Power Automate tutorials.